Finasteride, the pros and the cons. For men who struggle with male pattern baldness and/or BPH, finasteride can be an absolute lifesaver. But as with any medication, there are pros and cons to consider before actually taking it. In this video, we'll explore the mechanism of action behind finasteride, the risks and benefits of the drug, its potential side effects, as well as its branded and generic formulations. So let's dive into the details and see if finasteride is the right choice for you. Finasteride's mechanism of action is based on its ability to inhibit the type 2 of the 3 5-alpha reductases, which reduces the conversion of testosterone to dihydrotestosterone or DHT. Since DHT is a hormone that can shrink hair follicles, finasteride actually helps to prevent hair loss and further balding. This is why we always recommend a DHT blocker in anyone on testosterone therapy, as it may cause hair loss. Finasteride is also FDA approved for BPH treatment, or benign prostatic hyperplasia, as it helps to reduce the size of the prostate gland and improve urinary flow. One of the biggest debates regarding finasteride is whether to choose branded or the generic formulations. Both types contain the same active ingredient, but the manufacturing protocols will vary between generic and specific, potentially leading to differences in safety and efficacy. Branded finasteride, such as Propecia, is patented and expensive. However, it is subject to rigorous FDA testing and pre-approval, which ensures that the product is safe and effective. Generic finasteride is cheaper, but manufacturers may not follow the same protocols. This could lead to some variations in efficacy and safety. When used properly, finasteride has an excellent safety profile. The most common adverse event reported is a decrease in libido, but other sexual dysfunction issues and mood changes have also been noted. Furthermore, the side effects are usually reversible once the drug is discontinued, which is also good news. However, there are some known risks associated with finasteride. Let's talk about those. Women who are pregnant or may become pregnant should not handle crushed or even broken finasteride, because it has a high possibility of birth defects in male fetuses. Additionally, some men may develop a condition known as post-finasteride syndrome, which is a collection of persistent symptoms related to sexual function, mood, and cognition. Dutasteride is another medication used for BPH treatment that is similar to finasteride, but potentially inhibits both type 1 and 2 alpha reductases. Dutasteride is more effective than finasteride for BPH, but it carries higher risks of sexual dysfunction, breast enlargement, and depression. Sounds like the worst choice to me. Moreover, Dutasteride is not FDA approved for male pattern baldness, so it is not really intended to be used for that purpose at all. On the other hand, topical finasteride is also a promising alternative with even fewer risks and systemic side effects compared to the oral pills. Several studies have shown that topical finasteride is as effective as oral finasteride in treating male pattern baldness and has added benefits when used in coalition with minoxidil and dutasteride. In conclusion, finasteride is a safe and effective medication for treating male pattern baldness and BPH. When choosing between branded and generic formulations, patients should consider their budget, as branded products are usually way more expensive but have been more rigorously tested. Additionally, patients should discuss the risks and benefits with their healthcare provider. As always, at Genesis Lifestyle Medicine, we can provide medications such as finasteride or minoxidil to help with your male pattern baldness. We also help with female pattern baldness as well. Any questions you have, you can always feel free to reach out to us. We have 18 locations countrywide, and we are here to make sure that you have an amazing hairline. As always, like and subscribe, hit that notification button, as we are posting 3 videos a week. And any more information, go to genesislifestylemedicine.com.